Welcome back to Jubilee Forest Farm. Today we're going to show you the cows and sheep, and we're going to go sledding. We're here at the cows, you can see. Here, I'm going to switch the camera around. There we go. Got the cows here. And yeah, this is our cow herd. It's the big herd. We have another herd. I might show you that one. But there we go. So these cows are I wouldn't say rare, but a special breed of cows. It's called Lynch Lineback. They look like a skunk. And they used to be Canada's dairy breed. And hey, we got a cow coming up. And there were, when the Holstein came over from Europe, these cows died out, and there was only 7 left. When a guy called, and his last name was Lynch, decided to restore them. And now here we are. Look at the cow. He's right there. Yeah, we got our oldest cow in here. Is a cow named, what's her name? But anyway, she was born out on December 25th, I think. And my dad took her into the garage and blow dried her. And 10 minutes of blow drying, and now she's our friendliest cow. Well, one of our friendliest. Besides Jack. And so every day we come and feed them a bale, and we move those. See those feeders? We move them every day, so it spreads all the poop around. So where the cows eat, and then they poop there, and so me and Dad roll out bales on the pasture, all around the pasture, and I'll like cover the whole pasture. And that's how we feed the cows. And then they waste a lot when we roll it out. So when we roll it out, they waste a lot, and then it goes back into the ground, and then it builds soil. Yeah. Look at all the cow pats here too. This is gonna be pretty fertile. Okay, we're gonna take you guys to the sheep, and then we're gonna go sledding. See that tree? Fell down in a big, huge windstorm, and it hit some of our beehives, and that's why all the firewood's here. Hi, doggy. Hi, Chief. Hi, buddy. Oh, you're my favorite doggy. Here's the sheep. Captain. Got a lamb, some young ewes. Girl sheep are called ewes. And the males are called rams. Where is the ram? Fred Ram's the bottom. That's our ram. Fred Ram's the bottom. There's the sheep. Now we'll go to the bottom of the hill. This electric fence makes noise. Okay, here's the hill. And there's our summer chicken shelter. Ooh, that electric wire's making noise. It's gonna blow up. Holy. Okay, guys. I might drop you. Just be careful up there. Whew. Was that fun? Or what? Oh. Sorry about that. I think I got let go of you a little bit. We just went up that, down that. It's huge. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Bye.